Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically add in these text effects to improve your editing. To improve like your videos, I guess. So go to text template, and I have all of these favorited. I don't think I can like go one by one to uh show you guys, but the ones that I use is this one, that one, like right and wrong. This one's to like point out something in your videos. I use this one quite a lot, and you're just going to simply like select one and add it to your timeline like so. And here you can even edit the text. So I'm just going to type in creativity, and I'm just going to go to fonts. You can also change the fonts on the text templates, by the way. And sometimes you can change the color. Sometimes you can't. Like this, and you can adjust like the characters and stuff like that. And in this one, I think you can change like the color of it. But yeah, that is it. Here, I'll just show you another example. You can change the this one maybe. You can change the text on it, and you can also change the color. Like if you chose another color, it will show up in a different color. I'll just show you quickly, as you can see. And those are all the text templates that I like to use in my videos. There's like a TikTok one, there's a CapCut one as well. And yeah, I feel like those are very helpful for your video edits. So just take a look at this and you'll just be able to find it here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!